When it comes to the end user or the employee who's viewing their shift information, the other half of this coin is making sure that the end users can see all this information. Those cost collectors or those cost centers, they could see the tags, they can see shift notes, those different segments. And on top of that, employees need an easy way to make change requests. Finding cover, meaning I want to donate a shift, trading shifts, meaning I want to exchange a shift, and making sure that the entire compliance element is all there, so that when employees requesting a trade shift or find cover, they're only doing it with someone who has the same skills as them, who isn't breaching overtime rules or consecutive working hours rules, or just any rules that the system is checking. So you have fully compliant change management for the employees that they can initiate. Managers can approve this so that they always get the final say. And on top of that, the flexibility for employees to be able to modify their availabilities, preferences, and even certain selections in their profile for certain union agreements or personal choices that they may want to make, in which that can affect their rules and their time capture and their payouts. The whole point is you remove a lot of the manual process when it comes to reporting, shift creation, change management, availability creation, and on top of that, the rule application to the time capture so that you have a clean pipeline, shifts are captured appropriately, people are paid appropriately, and that is how you bring your shift together.